Hello, my friend, and welcome to this guided meditation for grounding, centering, and fostering emotional resilience, inner strength, and inner peace. So settle down into a comfortable position, either sitting down with your hands on your thighs or lying down on your back with your hands by your sides. Do whatever feels right for you in this moment. Now let's take a few deep breaths. Breathe in deeply through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. And again, take a deep cleansing breath in and a full breath out, releasing all the tension from your body. Now imagine yourself standing barefoot in a beautiful forest clearing. It's very quiet here, and the only sounds you can hear are the chirping of the birds, the rustling of the leaves, and the gentle murmur of a nearby stream. Listen to these forest sounds for a while and let them fill your whole being with stillness and peace. Now, just a few steps away, notice a tall, magnificent ancient tree, strong, steady, and deeply rooted. You walk up and place your hands on its trunk, or you can even hug the tree, placing your forehead against the trunk. Now realize the deep inherent connection that you share with this tree. On a deep invisible level, the same infinite intelligence flows through both of you. Feel the tree's quiet strength, its calm and grounded energy. Now imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, reaching down into the earth, deeper and deeper, connecting you to the very core of the planet. Feel your roots growing strong and powerful as they run deep into the earth, holding you firm and steady. Feel this steady and strong foundation beneath you. Now imagine that your body turns into a strong and powerful trunk of a tree and slowly starts growing upward, getting taller and taller toward the sky. Feel how big and powerful you are. Feel this inner strength that permeates your entire being. Now notice your big, graceful branches spread in different directions, creating a wide spreading canopy. Notice the abundance of beautiful leaves, or maybe even flowers or fruits growing on them. And above, feel how the wind moves through your branches. Sometimes it's light, and sometimes it's quite strong. But either way, you continue standing still and steady. See in your mind's eye how despite the weather around you, you bend, you move, but you always stay grounded and rooted. Feel yourself strong, flexible, resilient, and centered. With each breath, feel this strength within you, calm, steady, and unshakable. Now, as you continue to imagine yourself as a big and powerful tree, repeat the following affirmations after me. I will repeat each affirmation twice, and then give you time to repeat it after me. I am like a big, powerful, and tranquil tree that has its roots deeply grounded in the earth. I am like a big, powerful, and tranquil tree that has its roots deeply grounded in the earth. I allow myself to feel safe, strong, flexible, resilient, and deeply at peace. I allow myself to feel safe, strong, flexible, resilient, and deeply at peace. Right now, I feel safe, strong, flexible, resilient, and deeply at peace. Right now, I feel safe, strong, flexible, resilient, and deeply at peace. Let these affirmations fill you with even more calm and presence. Now gently bring your attention back to your breath. Take a deep breath in and release the air with a gentle sigh. Now gently move your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes, returning to your day with renewed confidence and inner peace. Take good care.